Hi everyone, this is Andy. Today I will explain how to use the FileChooser class in JavaScript. I will focus to the show open dialog method of this class. I will go over a little bit of description of the purpose of the FileChooser class. I will explain the coding of an application using FileChooser which show open dialog method in screen. After that, I will run this application to show the output as a demo. JFileChooser is a quick and easy approach to prompt the user to choose a file or let user find a file saving location. File choosers support 3 display modes: files only, directories only, and files and directories. Additionally, file choosers support both single and multiple selection. JFileChooser provides 3 methods that display a modal dialog containing choosers: show open dialog method, show save dialog method, and show dialog method. This TechNote will focus on show open dialog method and summarize some programming practice for using JFileChooser show opening dialog in screen. For more information, you can check the link below with more detailed information. I will go over a basic example of using JFileChooser that use the show open dialog method in screen. This example shows an application that displays a file dialog. After the dialog is dismissed, a message dialog communicates the selected file. The top picture in the image shows the application when it appears initially, and the middle picture shows the file chooser displays as a result of activation of the application's button. The bottom picture shows the message dialog displayed after a file has been selected. In this example, I will explain the basic application that has a file chooser dialog. This application creates a button that is added to the application frame's content. The application also creates a file chooser with the JFileChooser no argument constructor. When the button contained in the application is activated, JFileChooser.showOpen dialog method is invoked to display the file choosers in a modal dialog. Because the dialog is modal, the call to show open dialog method does not return until the dialog is dismissed. I will explain about check for non-selected files. If a file chooser's approve button is activated without a file being selected, the file returned from JFileChooser.getSelectedFile method will be none. As a result, before a file returned from JFileChooser.getSelectedFile method is used, a check should be made to ensure that a file has actually been selected. This is a code for main method. The code for creating a JFrame has a file chooser dialog and sets the size for it. It also sets some properties like close on the window for the JFrame. Okay, let's run the application and see something happens. When we run this program, a window has a button with title Show File Chooser will be shown on the screen. If the user clicks this button, the file chooser displayed and it shows the directories and files inside the current directory that sets in the code that lets user choose the file that they want to show. After that, the message dialog displayed after a file has been selected on the screen. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions, please let me know by sending me an email.